to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to send large files on WhatsApp. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to send large files on WhatsApp, all you gotta do is simply go to your WhatsApp. So once you're in your WhatsApp, you need to simply tap on any of the chats. So once you select the chat, you can simply tap on the paperclip like icon. There you can find the option called document. Now you can browse documents, choose from gallery, or even scan your document. Now, once you do anything, you can select up to 2 GB in size. You can simply select large files which are up to 2 GB, preserving its quality, or you can even share a link from a cloud service like Google Drive or Dropbox for even larger files. So if you're gonna do this and use the document feature or the share link feature on WhatsApp, you can simply share large files on WhatsApp by bypassing WhatsApp compression. You can also zip files or adjust media quality settings, but the document method and cloud link are the most effective for large size. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.